Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Mohammed Anwar, and you're watching my channel, Mohammed Anwar, and Education for us all. Welcome to this segment, which is cooking made simple, and today it is indeed very, very, very simple. It is going to be simple potato pakoras. So the first thing is to slice the potatoes to the thickness that you require. The thicker they are, then obviously the longer they will need frying. So the usual things will be needed with the spices of your choice, herbs of your choice. We are just keeping it simple with coriander, dhania, and of course you will need gram flour for a pakora recipe. Okay, let's make a start. So we are going to start off with 4 tablespoons of gram flour and see what the texture is. Okay, so really nice, simple pakora recipe. Okay, and to that we are going to add the spices. That is turmeric, haldi, that is chili, and one more garam masala. Okay, give that a good mix. Yeah, so the key is in the mixing either at this stage. Yes, we did forget salt. Salt as per taste. So a tablespoon should be sufficient. So we also need to add the coriander, again for the flavour and the aroma. Start adding the water very slowly and slowly mix. Nice and slow. And then we have it, a lovely mixture of gram flour with the spices. So all that we're going to do is soak the potatoes into that and shallow fry. So the oil must really be hot. We need to test. I don't think it is. Just a little bit longer. So whilst the oil is heating, I'm going to put the potatoes in and give that a real good soak, and soak that for a minute or so. They are ready now. Okay, and with the aid of a spoon, put in as many as your pan will hold. No Ramzan Rosa is complete without simple potato pakoras. Alhamdulillah. Okay, once they're in, then we must keep stirring and keep moving them, tossing and turning them. So as I say, it really does need to be a high heat. So it's been a good 2 minutes, and as you can see, they're not quite yellow, so it does take a good 3 to 4 minutes on each side. And there is our pakoras. We're going to put in this dish to show you. So one thing that people forget to remember, that they are very hot and will continue to cook for a minute or so. Okay, I really wish we could taste them, but we have got Rosa. We are keeping a fast, so it's going to be a short while before we can eat them, but I will show you one. Well, I will cut one and show you how it's inside. And there we have it. That's how it should be, hot and fluffy. That is a perfect pakora. There you have it, guys. I do hope you're going to try our very simple recipe. Until the next time, I say thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Please share, like and subscribe. Use all the social media available to you. Look after yourselves, look after others. Goodbye. नाज़रीन उम्मीद है आप ये सिंपल पकौड़ा रेसिपी ट्राई करेंगे. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना. दुआ में याद रखना। अल्लाह हाफिज़, अल्लाह निगहबान।